Hey guys, in this video I will show you some alternatives to ElevenLabs. So ElevenLabs is one of the best AI voiceover generators out there, but if you for whatever reason don't want to use ElevenLabs, I will show you some alternatives. So let's get started. First of all, I want to say I have all the links of all the AI voiceover generators in the description, so you get the best deal, plus it's very simple, organized. So let's get started with Murph AI. So Murph AI is also a very big leader within the AI voiceover generator space, and it is relatively cheap. I wouldn't say cheap, but it's not that expensive. Plus you get quite a lot of voice generation per year, as you can see, 24 hours, and it is $23 per month. And the best thing is you can use it for free for 10 minutes of voice generation. So Murph AI is probably one of the best. As you can see, they have a lot of medals and prizes and etc. So it's a very great and solid AI voiceover generator tool. So I would recommend you to check it out. Another tool is Play.ht, and Play.ht is also one of the best AI voiceover generators out there. Let's take a look at the pricing of Play.ht, and this one is a bit more expensive, as you can see, because when you pay monthly it is nearly $40 per year, which is quite expensive. But another great deal is that you can use it for free for 12,000 characters, which is great, which is even more than ElevenLabs offers you for the free plan. So maybe you can just try to create a new email every time, or use the creator plan and pay and get very great commercial use, etc., as well as instant voice clones, which is very, very great. But also this one is unlimited deal is, instead of $100 per month, it is now $30 per month, which is an insanely great deal, and you get unlimited characters per year, which is genuinely insane. So you can just keep generating every time, whenever you want. So this one is probably the best choice if you generate a lot of audio files. Now the third one, and this one is very professional as well, very high quality voices, which is wellsaidlabs.com or Wellsaid. And this one is quite expensive, but if you are a big company and want to take it really serious with APIs, etc., with downloads, voice styles, different, etc., I think Wellsaid is the best for professional use. It is quite expensive again. When you pay monthly, it is $50, and when you pay yearly, it is $45 per month. So you can see the features right here. Again, this is one of the best professional voice generators out there. I think if you want, I think it's ordered in so first we have ElevenLabs, which is just for personal use, not too professional. And then we have Murph, which is a bit more expensive, also a bit more professional, I would say. Then we have Play.ht, which is for a lot of audio generation, and not that expensive as well, $30 a month for unlimited generations, which is genuinely insane. And then we have the big, quite expensive option, which is WellsaidLabs for again a lot of generations, but also for quality. So yeah, I hope you can make a solid choice from this. Again, all the links are in the description, so yeah, check them out and go generate some audio. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.